Hello, 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 and welcome to my channel. How are you? Good, I hope. I hope you've had a really good day. I thought that I would add to my nature journal today, and because it was nice and early, I thought I'd go and sit outside in the garden with a cup of tea and draw out there. As you can see, it's a lovely blue sky and everywhere is quiet. There's the pond, and there's my book sat at the table. I have my coffee. Yep. And my shed. And that barn at the back there is where the barn owl and the bats live. So let's get down to it. So I started off with ordinary sketching pencil, and then I thought, oh, I'll add a little bit of colour with some pencil crayons. Now, my art is, well, it's my art. It's not perfect. It's not, I suppose, what a lot of people would class as art. But it's my interpretation of art. It's not supposed to be realistic, and it's not supposed to be perfect. It's kind of a doodly, sketchy type, but that's the kind of art that I enjoy doing, and for me, that's the most important thing, to enjoy it. I hope you do too. So, as I said, the sky was very blue today, very little wind, but it was 23 degrees and way too warm for me. I really can't cope with heat. It's just not my thing. But I sat out in the garden today. It was early in the morning before it got too warm, and there was a few butterflies frittering about. There was a tortoiseshell and a cabbage white, and one that looked like a cabbage white, but it had orange edging to the wings. I've never seen anything like that before. I must do some research and try and find out more. And the birds were high up in the trees. There was the wood pigeons, well, they're here every day, and a great tit and some sparrows. I didn't see the blue tits this morning, but they were all busy singing away, and it was quite pleasant. So I think I'll leave you with my journal, and thank you for coming. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And please do consider subscribing if you haven't already. Great to see you. Take care now. Bye.